purpose in life is to be in action.
Let's go!
Zero purpose. You should kill yourself.
You should kill yourself. Now.
Where is it? Where is it?
I'm hitting ano? I'm hitting all of you as well.
Tay! Patay ka na!
One life left. One life left.
Patay na! Patay na?
TP me to him.
Ano pa kayo? Behind you! Ano patay na? Patay na nga!
Ano patay na? Probably glitched out. Yeah, I glitched out. He TP to someone else. Sabi ng TP on here, nag-glitch out. If he died, it should do that. Namatay. He didn't die. He did not die, bro.
What?
He has to play this. He has to play this. Really?
We can hit all each other pag nasa arena kami. Like,
Wait lang. Wait lang. Slash RG. Wait lang ha. Let me fix that.
Ang iitim nyo.
Oh yan, PvP is denied in this area. Try hitting each other.
Okay. Nasaan ka?
I'm not, wait lang, I'm not in the arena yet.
Yep. Can't
TP everyone. TP everyone. TP everyone to here.
Dali.
TP everyone to here.
Uy, Prince, ba't ka ako may type for LSD?
Wala, binigyan ko sa'yo. Dalawa pa ito.
Anta, do you have food? Do you have food?
What happened?
Thanks. Boss fight was starting.
Ininom ko na. Ininom ko na.
Just for that.
Okay, wait lang. Let's go.
Ikaw ka dyan lang.
I'm not in the server yet. I mean, I'm not in the arena yet.
Bitch ass
Oy.
nigga.
No, don't worry. Hindi na nakatiping. Hindi nakatiping dito. It's okay.
Is as valuable as a summer ant. I'm just gonna stomp you. You're gonna keep
Okay.
coming back. I'm gonna seal up all my
Go,
cracks.
go,
You're
go,
gonna
go.
keep coming back. Why? Because you keep smelling the syrup.
Mod.
You worthless bitch ass nigga. You're gonna stay on my dick until you die.
TP everyone there.
Go.
You serve no purpose in life. Your purpose in life
TP
is
all
to be in
there.
my street,
Ayaw ko to.
sucking on my
Ako
dick
pagka.
daily. Your purpose in life is to be in that chat, blowing a dick daily. Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose. You should kill yourself.
Tanga na walang damage eh.
Walang ka na. Ayun na, patay na.
Ano patay? Did he actually die?
Oo
Patay.
nga. Patay na.
Die! Oo, he died!
Patay wala eh. Okay. Wait lang, let me check the logs. Dahil if he did actually die, magpe-play yung yung that sound. But he didn't die.
Manood ka sa aming laro.
Manood.
Sa pa ha?
Ikaw ay manood na lang.
Ang itim
Sa
nito.
talaga.
Ang itim nito.
Pag this time nakita ni Prince na namatay, then he actually died. No take back.
Okay.
Mugare.
Nakita ni Prince
itim
na namatay.
nyo.
Namatay.
Tara.
Nakita ni Prince na namatay siya.
Manood ka.
We get his drops.
Manood ka.
Just because that, you have to 2 times the reward.
Bakit? Hold up.
Ah!
Wait lang. Slash scoreboard. Oh! Oh, anyari? Oh! Ina nyo, you have 2 lives, yung come back.
Oh, manood ka kasi namatay na siya kanina.
Oh, patay.
Patay!
Oh, player head. May player head ako.
What the fuck? How OP did you become? Inay!
Hindi, dahil binigyan mo ako ng LSD. Tiga.
Ah! puti. Okay,
Oh, player head. Kita mo to? Oh, tiga suot ka, player head.
Yo, win!
Here you go.
Victory. Phase 2. Phase 2
Walang
na.
phase two.
Yep, there's a phase 2. Ano ko nga? May phase 2 nga! Ito, di ba yung phase 2 nga lang? Kulit-kulit mo. Takot. May phase 2 pa yan.
Kala ko pa. Okay, sige.
Tingnan mo, ang baba ng health niya.
accept.
Diyan ata nababa.
Ang itim nyo.
Why
Anton,
is his health going down? What the fuck? Why is his health going down? Huh?
Kasi sa green.
puta, EXP yung kanyang... Anton, accept.
Fuck. I'm gonna die, I think. Nah,
Friends,
di
that
mo
was
kahabol.
me. I did that damage.
Don't do that.
Because it's my health, my combat level's too high. Hey, you're about to die, bro.
Good luck.
Why do I have bedrock here?
Uy, bakit dalawang looter, God?
Ang face niya! O, kalabanin ninyo!
Hindi nga.
Ayop
TP.
kayo.
TPA. Oh, that's it. Accept. TP accept.
Churusa kayo! Ay, ikaw ka nag-hit, Kuruin? Was that you?
Huh?
Were you the one that dealt that damage sa 50,000? Or no? Ay, ikaw naman pala yun! Hiniper buff ko, he has 50,000 health! You're never gonna kill him!
Ay, putang ina kaya pala. Ano gari boss fight?
Sigap naman pala napatay! Sigap naman pala napatay!
Pinabulakan ko. Lumamig lang ata.
Gab, wag mo patayin!
Tagal-tagal eh.
Wag mo patayin, Gab, sigap naman pala yun! Last na ha!
Yun!
Oh.
Last na,
Ay,
hindi
go.
akong pumatay. Akong pumatay. Last na ha! Hoy, last
Ayoko
na ha! Last
Ayoko na.
Pero Gab,
Ay,
huwag
ayoko
ka
na.
makialam. Wala, basta huwag makialam si Gab. Si Gab kasi ano, huwag makialam, Gab. Kaya mo sila.
Anton, accept my shit.
Okay?
Okay.
Gab, tama na ha! Gab,
Okay,
don't hit them.
Friends, I think the dragon heart is so OP, super OP.
Yeah, just don't hit him next time, bro. Don't hit him. Okay?
Okay.
Go vanish. Huwag ka makialam.
Ayoko na. Kakayamot kayong kasama.
Bitch ass nigga. Your life literally is as valuable as a summer ant. I'm just gonna stop you. You're gonna keep coming back. I'm gonna seal up all my cracks. You're gonna keep coming back.
Okay, Gab.
You keep smelling the syrup. You worthless bitch ass nigga.
Ay, nag-kill aura daw.
You
Joke.
Pwede.
You serve
Nam
no
joke bawal.
purpose in life. Your purpose in
Joke lang
life is
nga.
to be in my stream sucking on my dick
Ay,
daily.
nag-kill
Your purpose in life is to be in that chat blowing a dick daily. Your
How
life
much health does
is
this guy has?
You serve
2,000, 10,000.
You should kill yourself.
Kala ko dati 1,000 lang.
Bok. Because one of you got an exotic chest plate. O yan, hindi na hinihit na Gab. Oh, there. There, now you can actually hit him. Don't worry, he doesn't deal that much at first.
Potang, ay natin ito mapapatay.
Langan.
Ang kulit!
There's a way to weaken him, by the way. Insult him during the fight.
Bruh.
Michael. By the way, I got ano. What the
There.
hell? Why is his health at half now? His health is at half. When I respond, ano siya? His health is at half.
Because you insulted him, I felt bad, so I'm helping. Go!
He's healing!
Exactly, he is.
Maganda yan ang ayoko na.
Sabi ko sa'yo, bring Ethan!
Dati
Why
na yung
Ethan?
magato.
Wala naman si Ethan.
Don't heal him, don't heal him.
Nah, I'm gonna die, bruh.
You want me to nerf the boss? Kala niyo madali, yun naman pala yung si Gab. Puta na mo, Gab.
Ayop.
Bye.
Na.
We should beat the Ender Dragon muna, then low tier god.
Wala. I want it like this. Don't complain.
Nuga full health na naman, ayoko na dito. Ayoko na.
Why is there bedrock here?
Okay, you guys failed.
Bruh.
Failed.
Hayop ka!
I'll nerf the boss.
We killed like a lot of times already.
Make it so he
Ay,
doesn't
hindi
do
nga.
any
The
damage.
thing is nga,
Kakulit nyo.
ay si Gab kasi hinihit ay siya combat level 200,000. He one shot the boss. Yeah, it was him. Ano, Gab?
It was on me.
Yeah.
I'm Aizen.
Ala. So I'll nerf the boss for you guys since I feel bad. I'll nerf it for you. Go kick.
Wala.
Naawa.
Nagtatampo na daw.
Nahihirapan kayo.
Hayop ka.
Oo. Sabi ko sa inyo, magdala pa kayo ng tao. Itatatlo lang kayo, kala nyo kaya nyo tumuloy. Sabi ko nga hindi.
Ikakulit mo kasi.
Anong kakulit ko?
Wala ka sinasabi mo.
Nagkakakulit
Di ka ikaw din may sabi. Nah, you guys can do it.
Yeah, I was boss fighting. I was gaslighting.
Dami mong alam.
But you can attempt them as many times as you want. You won't die or lose your items.
Okay lang, meron naman akong player head.
Ala. No!
Secret.
You're gonna break their armor in one hit. I'll nerf his health to 500. There. Nahihirapan talaga kayo.
10,000 ang puta.
Later na. Because may plan ng boss fight.
If you're gonna nerf his health that much, at least buff his attack.
Oh, no. Don't need
Hindi
to
mo
buff
nga
his attack.
bitin mapatay.
Hindi mo nga
Sige,
mapatay. Ano kang ba patak? Hindi mo nga mapatay. You're dying to his M1. Not even his attack.
Michael.
Patay ikaw. Ano ka ga?
Nag-unggoy nito.
Ahem.
Unggoy, kahit tumahimik na lang.
Ninerf na nga. Gusto pa pahirap.
At tanga.
You can attempt again.
Dali, isa pa.
Oh, go! You guys can attempt as
Ay,
well.
ano, hindi pa na-nerf.
Na-nerf na. Nerf.
Okay, so
Ano na? O tara,
Mamaya, I'm gonna go Warden farm.
TPS.
Ay, sige, Warden.
Ay, sa sig.
Alam mo ba kung ilang EXP ang inaano ng Warden pag napatay mo? 10,000. I'm gonna level up
10,000?
my rank.
Nah,
Eh,
it's
wala
okay.
pwede. They can start as many times as they want. It's a boss fight, bro. Let me test something.
Top 3
Di ka anahin yan. I'm just testing. Tell them I'm testing.
Top three,
Tell them I'm testing.
Let me and Anton be the only ones who can summon him.
No. Everyone can. Ano gang
Anton
unfair
is
yan?
cool.
Ala, no.
Because Anton is cool.
Everyone can. No, everyone can.
Just make sure, sa Sans boss fight you can, summon him by isa lang.
Someone actually made the creeper farm now.
No, okay, let me give a hint on Sans. To summon him, you're gonna have to, you know how you have to kill monsters? Yeah. There, that's the
A
only hint I'll give.
skeleton. You're gonna have to kill skeleton.
Also, he doesn't have health. His health will only be 1. No! Ano nga? No! Sabi na nga, no! I'll make you the 4th boss fight. Kasama ka na kasi dyan sa boss fight sa pang-4. No, you are not going to be...
Anong drop ni Sans? Gaster Blaster?
Makikita mo.
I need to upgrade using sand.
Basta ang gusto ko yung Knuckle Blaster.
Why? So you can parry the... Oh my god.
Oo.
Feedbacker yun ha. Knuckle Buster kay Vito.
Ay, tanga o nga, no.
Wala akong kwenta sa
Basta
buhay.
yung kamay ni B1.
Ala, gusto na rin mag...
Gusto ko ipari si Low Tier God to death. Tayo mo nun.
Sobro ka nang ni-nerf si Low Tier God na. Kung yan, di niyo pa matatalo since I just want you guys Ano kayo magwa-warden farm muna?
Pwede naman.
Ako magwa-warden farm. Di ko alam saan.
Mali naman kasi yung ginagawa nyo. Actually, guys, shouldn't warden farm. You should defense farm. Just go in your monster spawner and let the spiders hit you. And AFK. Mali yung ginagawa nyo.
Yun.
Oh!
Sige.
Ang lambot ninyo! Kaya nasa M1 namamatay kayo.
How do you go inside of this?
Just go to a spawner since damage doesn't matter that much since I nerfed them already. Since people like... Si Anton pwede since he has a shit ton of defense since he upgraded his armor. Pero si Jok at si Michael just die. Because they malambot. You don't have health.
Oy, pasama dyan. Baka...
You also just let the warden hit you if you're able to tank it. That's it.
Puta, hindi nung na-atake.
Hindi mo matake.
Hindi, ayaw ata kami atake.
Yan, dyan lang kayo. Mag-farm kayo in defense. Yan tama.
Ay, na-atake ako.
Ala. Farm defense. Kaya recommend ako. Since the truth is in phase 2, damage won't matter because he's fucking immortal for a few minutes.
Bro.
Parang timer. You know that timer we have to keep surviving? Gets mo gayon?
Okay.
Yun ang phase 2.
Sige, mag-warden farm na lang ako.
Let's just let the warden hit you. There.
Oh God.
Yun lang talaga.
Because
TP ka sa akin, Anton. Anton, TP ka sa akin.
Because sa phase 2, it's a timer. He will eventually die. You just have to survive. Don't hit him. There. I give you so many hints. My God.
Wait, tayo. TP ako Jok.
Yo, may shrieker din oh.
Ikaw na lang mag-last hit muna.
TP.
Summon, dali.
What the hell is that?
Summon na kayo.
Dali, summon. Tagal-tagal naman.
Ay, wala nang
Ang blue.
man.
Wala naman ang blue iron golem.
TP accept ko na. TP accept.
Matutulungan ko kayo.
Yes.
Oh.
Ay, ayun ka.
Ala pa, wag naman.
Hala.